This is my push box I use for snow removal. It's a 6 foot, I believe. It works really good. My problem is that the 3-point arms on my tractor are a little short, and you can see they're basically right at the rear wheels. And when that's hooked onto here, this all gets much too close to the tires. I have this Pat's quick change system, and that extends the effective length of my lift arms by like 4 inches or so. The problem is that I can't get these on here to clip into the pins because right here it sticks out too much. So my plan is I'm gonna cut this notch out. This isn't gonna be too much of a structural change. I was looking at a lot of designs, they don't even have a plate up here. I do like having that connected, but I just need a little more room there. So I'm gonna cut that out so that my quick change can go on there, and that will get this plow further from the tires, so I can use tire chains without fear of catching one of these bolts and tearing everything up. Let's see if that's gonna fit. Alright, that's pretty good. Plenty of space between the tire and any hardware in here. Once I put my chains on, might be out into this area, but that's fine. You can see I got the quick change system on. It's locked in. Ooh, hard to see. There is still some gap in here. So that's nice. I think that one might be touching, but nonetheless it works. It's on. So I'm pretty pleased with that. That was pretty quick and easy.